you're not gonna throw away stuff that goes in this trash can. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I've got this trash can right next to me to show you what it is useful for. And it's not what you think. It is a little tiny trash can. And you can actually use this to put things like your pens. So I've got pens all strewn around my desk, markers, pencils, those types of things. And I never seem to have them at the ready. Something like this is kind of cool. It's a little bit of a novelty. Just sits on your desk. Looks just like a regular trash can. Got the handles on the side here. It's actually a pretty thick little plastic, and that will just sit on your desk, hold everything that you need, and no one will throw it out because there's nothing about this that would confuse anyone about it being a real trash can, except for tiny little garbage bags. But look at that. All your pens and pencils fit in there nicely. Hey, if you want to pick up this little trash can for your desk because someone says, hey, your desk is messy, it looks like it's covered in garbage, well, get a garbage can for it. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.